Adobe Creative Cloud plugins and integrations.
Hi there, I'm Janis, designer and developer of User Profile plugin, which displays beautiful photos right in your Adobe XD. And here I prepared some small demo to showcase how does it work. So here I'm working on an app called Slash for photographers, kind of a community where they can share photos between each other. And here I have splash screen. I'm gonna fill these shapes using User Profile plugin. So we're gonna change the quality higher. And let's check some random photos insert. It looks, I think, really great. Let's change one more, maybe one more, just have something different. Okay, great. Here we have a sign up page. Here we expect some image. We're gonna keep the higher quality and let's try out female. Hopefully we're gonna get something very fashion looking image and something welcoming. Let's try a few more. Great, I think this is very welcoming per picture. So here we have a top photographers. I'm gonna just a little bit zoom in. And we have here, you can see avatars a lot of. Let's fill in these ones with images. So this time we want both of them. Age we're gonna keep the same, we're gonna smile, and then we're gonna fit photos in crop in square so they can be in this shape. Let's change the quality small because we don't need higher. Great, it looks really great already. And now let's move on our gallery, where a user can show their photos, like a timeline where everything goes in. So this time we're gonna uncheck this one and uncheck this one, and just have a random photo, but we're gonna change the quality definitely. So we don't need this time crop that shows full size. Let's try a few more times. Okay, it looks some very interesting something. And that's last screen where user clicks and can see the image full screen. We're gonna keep everything same and we're gonna just have a random photo. Great, actually this is really great. So that was User Profile plugin. Hope you like it. Try it out. And if you're looking forward to try these new features, which will come out later this year, beginning of this year, so you can sign up for the beta version and try it already today. Thank you very much for your attention and have a great day. Peace. Cheers.